Our topic for today is budget. The term budget appears to have been derived from the French word baguette, baguette, which means little bag or a container of documents and accounts. A budget is an accounting plan. It is a formal plan of action expressed in monetary terms. It could be seen as a statement of expected income and expenses under certain anticipated operating conditions. It is qualified plan for future activities, quantitative blueprint or for action. The definition of budget goes like this. The budget may be defined as a financial or a quantitative statement prepared prior to a defined period of time which focuses on policies to be pursued during that period for the purpose of attaining a given objective. Budgeting refers to formulation of plans for future activities which lays down carefully constructed objectives and programs of activity and provide yardsticks by which deviation can be measured. According to ICWA London, a budget is a financial or quantitative statement prepared prior to a defined period of time for attaining a given objective. So, budget is nothing but a financial statement or a quantitative statement prepared prior to a defined period. Suppose some hotels or basically hotels have a period of say 1 year. They will prepare for a budget for a year. So they will have the goal common. There will be the common goal or the objective of while preparing the budget, and they will have all the datas there with them, comparing that datas or comparing the present scenario of the business. They will plan a statement or a financial statement for the future dates for the upcoming next financial year. So it has been prepared by the front office manager. Every departmental head will prepare the budget, and the same will be compiled by the financial controller and will be produced in front of the general manager, and they will check everything and then they will send it for the approval. The format of a budget is almost like a profit and loss statement. It is prepared for a financial year and is updated monthly and submitted for approval at least 2 to 3 months before the start of the financial year. After all the income projections have been made by the departmental head, the controller reviews them with general manager before starting to implement the proposed budget. Once the budget is approved, each member of the management team is obligated to abide by the budget and be responsible to his departmental expenses to the allocated amount. Basically, the budget portrays the intention of management about future plays. It indicates sales to be made, expenses to be incurred, and the profit or income to be received. So while the budget has been prepared, before the implementation of the budget, it needs to be get approved first. Once it is get approved, it will be sent to the department heads and same will be updated in the PMS, that is property management system, by the IT person, and on that particular date from where the new budget will start, from that particular your particular date the new budget will start. So every end of the month you will be comparing whether you are able to meet the budget, either what is your income on that particular month. You will get in the reports it shows like month to date, if you are whether you are beyond the budget or you are behind the budget. and for the year also, what is your income, the targeted figure of the budget. It'll identify everything in the PMS. So through the report you can make out, the manager can make out that say for this particular month I am say 50,000 less than my budget. So next month he will try to meet up, he will plan accordingly so that we can meet up the budget. So that is the budget. Basically it's a statement, financial statement. The importance of budget is nothing, it is difficult actually to overstate the importance of a meaningful budgeting process for a hotel. Ultimately, the budget represents the implementation of the owners and operators' vision for the hotel. It is the means by which the owners and the operator achieve the qualitative goals we associate with the brand or style of the hotel, and quantitative goals of achieving a well run, efficient and profitable business. Moreover, it is often used as a means to judge the performance of the operator. Means it is the budget will help to judge what is the performance of the hotel overall and what is the performance of the department wise. The department wise performance will also be we can check the performance of particular departments through the budget. Suppose F&B have a particular budget, and that particular month they have achieved the budget, or they are more than the targeted figure. So that means they are performing very well on that particular month. And if front office is lacking behind the budget, so that means the particular month the front office performance is not good. So that way the performance level of the departments can also be could be find out, and using the budget, or with the budget targeted figure, we can forecast, or we can have that the managers can plan. Say this month we could not meet up our budget, so next month what are the specific, or what are the strategies we need to implement to meet up the budget, or we can to increase our occupancy level. So that is basically a forecasting which has been done through the budget. And budget helps, it's a income and profit and loss statement, so it will help the managers to plan the strategies. Thank you.